Jingle bells swing and jingle bells.
Dunia jam 10. Okay, let's start it.
Hi everyone, welcome back to life@pc.com, and 'tis the season. Okay. Yeah, so today we're going to do a very quick unboxing of the new Mi Watch Lite. Does anyone have scissors?
Pen knife better kan?
I don't know, but try.
Okay. I don't want to murder this box, please. We don't want to injure anyone. Video ni pasti. Okay, so let's open it. Ta-da! Okay, so it's like when you want to propose to
Project
someone.
water.
Okay. Yeah, the watch. And I don't know actually what watch is this. Mind to explain?
So the Mi Watch Lite is new to Xiaomi. It's basically, like the name says, it's the lighter version of the Mi Watch. So in the box we have its...
Just in case it's a fitness watch.
So we have its charger right here, as you can see. And also, is there anything else in the box? We have your instruction manuals. Okay, that's good.
Yay, language!
Okay, so yes, this is the watch itself, people. The what color do we have?
Lots of color available, but
Okay.
the one that's shown is
This one's black. It goes with anything. Okay, we're turning it on, people. There it is. What does it say?
It's exactly black.
Scan the QR code or download the app. Okay, so it comes with an app you need to download, and then you will pair it with the
Why it's
watch.
not focusing?
Okay,
Ah.
right. So we need to block his face for it to focus. Anyway.
And the watch is built in GPS/GLONASS, I don't know what that means. And then it appears in stylish 1.4 inches color display. And it's water resistant to 5 meters, I guess. And up to 9 days of battery life.
9 days, everyone. Oh, so apparently the watch also has 120 watch faces, and it supports emojis as well. That's very good to know. I would want to send emojis to this watch, even though I don't necessarily wear a watch, but I'm very excited to test this out.
It has 11 workout modes as well. And oh yeah, by the water resistance diamond, it's
Yes.
up to 50 meters.
15 minutes.
Again, if you drown, you might die, but your watch is still alive.
So it's a fitness watch. So what?
It's also able to monitor your heart rate, just like, because that's what fitness watch do.
You were about to say another product, were you?
No.
Yes, you were. So it has sleep monitoring as well.
And if you are insomniac, like one of our interns here,
She's not here right now.
she's not here right now.
Thank goodness for you.
Yeah. And if you use it in continuous GPS sports mode, it may last you up to 10 hours.
How long does it take to charge this watch?
2 hours, 100% charge.
Thank you for answering that very quickly.
I don't know, today my brain finally functioned well.
And it's almost time to go home, so that's probably why.
Yeah.
So it has other functions like find your phone, it has weather report, alarm, obviously since it's a watch.
Stopwatch, flashlight, and
Flashlight.
timer. And it has 5 straps in fashionable Morandi colors, which are pink, ivory, black, navy blue, and olive.
So that's the colors that we were struggling to find just now. Okay, so you can instantly view calls, texts, and notifications as well.
It also records your calories burned as you walk or do any workout. It also performs guided breathing exercise for 1 to 5 minutes at a set rhythm to alleviate your stress anytime.
Okay, so this is
anywhere.
actually very good for people with anxiety, just like myself.
And asthma.
So I guess that is it for our first impression. I like the...
It can control music.
That's it now. I can't wait to test that out.
It also can alert you to stay active. It reminds you to stay active.
Just like our parents. First impression of this watch, I'm liking how this actually feels very good on my wrist. Okay, so first impression of the watch.
First impression, this one is for me quite special because I'm more of
Bless
a
you.
visual kind of person. Functions come second for me. When you can customize something up to your standard, up to your style, that's a good thing for me, so I love this.
We'll give you guys a full review on our website, life@pc.com. So that is it for our unboxing video where Wise did most of the talking other than me.
And it costs you 250 ringgit. That's all for today. We'll see you guys in the next video. And for those who are celebrating, Merry Christmas.
Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on our social media at life@pc.com on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And we will see you all in the next video. Merry Christmas!